Hello, welcome again in a new video of MCQ from the chapter Gravitation of class 9, and here we are going to discuss 29 MCQ from this chapter. So without wasting time, start it. And question 1, when an apple falls from a tree, only earth attracts the apple, only apple attracts the earth, both the earth and the apple attract each other, none attract each other. And the correct answer is C, both attract each other. And question 2, force of attraction between two bodies does not depend upon the shape of bodies, the distance between their centers, the magnitude of their masses, the gravitational constant. And the correct answer is option A, the shape of the body doesn't depend upon. When the medium between two bodies changes, force of gravitation between them will increase, will decrease, will change according to the environment, remains same. And the correct answer is D. It will not change. It will remain same. Now question 4. The value of universal gravitational constant changes with change of place, does not changes from place to place, become more at night, become more during day. And the correct answer is option B. The orbit of planets around the sun are circular, parabolic, elliptical, straight. And this was given in the chapter, and the correct answer is option C, elliptical. Law of gravitation is applicable for heavy bodies only, medium-sized bodies only, small-sized bodies only, bodies of any size. And the correct answer is D, bodies of any size. Now question 7. The universal law of gravitation was proposed by Copernicus, Newton, Galileo, Archimedes. And the correct answer is option B, Newton. I think you all was knowing that. Now question 8. Choose the correct statement. All bodies repel each other in the universe. Our earth does not behave like a magnet. Acceleration due to gravity is 8.9 meter per second. All bodies fall at the same rate in vacuum. And the correct statement is option D, because all bodies fall with the same rate in vacuum. Now question 9. The value of acceleration due to gravity g on Earth's surface is 666 into 10 Newton meter kilogram, 8.9 meter per second, 9.8 meter per second, none of the above. And the correct answer is C. Now question 10. The acceleration due to gravity has the same value everywhere in space, has the same value everywhere on the Earth, varies with the latitude on the Earth, is greater on Moon because it has smaller diameter. And the correct answer is C. Question 11. A ball is thrown vertically upward. The acceleration due to gravity is a direction opposite to the direction of its motion, is in the same direction as the direction of its motion, increase as it come down, become zero at a higher point. And its correct answer is option A. Now question 12. The acceleration due to gravity on the moon's surface is approximately equal to that near the earth's surface, approximately 6 times that near on earth's surface, approximately 1/6 of that near of earth's surface, slightly greater than that near the earth's surface. And the correct option is option C. Now question 13. The force of gravitation between the bodies does not depend on their separation, the product of their masses, the sum of their masses, the gravitational constant. And the correct answer is C, the sum of their masses. Now question 14. The type of force which exists between charged body is only gravitational, neither gravitational, non-electrical, only electrical. Option D, A and C. And option D is correct, A and C. When a body is thrown up, the force of gravity is in upward direction, in downward direction, 0 in horizontal direction. And the correct answer is in downward direction. So answer B is correct. Now question 16. The mass of an object is amount of matter present in the object, same as weight of an object, measured of gravitational pull, none of the above. And the correct answer is A. Now question 17. The weight of an object is the quantity of matters it contains, refers to its inertia, same as its mass but is expressed in different unit, the force with which is attracted towards the earth. And the correct option is option D. Now question 18. Weight of an object depend on temperature of the place, atmosphere of the place, mass of an object, none of the above. And you all are knowing the correct answer is option C, mass of an object. Now question 19. A heavy stone falls faster than a light stone, slower than a light stone, with same acceleration as light stone, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C. Both will fall with the same rate. Now question 20. The value of G at pole is greater than the value at the equator, less than the value at the equator, equal to the value of equator, none of the above. And the correct option is option A. Now question 21. Two iron and wooden ball identical in size are released from the same height in vacuum. The time taken by them to reach the ground are not equal, exactly equal, regularly equal, 0. And the correct option is option B, exactly equal. Now question 22. Pressure exerted by a sharp needle on a surface is more than the pressure exerted by a blunt needle, less than the pressure exerted by a blunt needle, equal to the pressure exerted by a blunt needle, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A. Now question 23. The SI unit of pressure is atmosphere, dyne per centimeter square, Pascal, millimeter of Hg. And the correct answer is option C, Pascal. Now question 24. The SI unit of thrust is Newton, dyne, Newton meter square, Newton meter square. And the correct answer is option A, Newton. Now 25. Pressure can't be measured in Newton to the power minus 2 bar, Pascal, kg, watt. And the correct answer is option D. Now question 26. A piece of wood is held on the water. The upthrust on it is equal to the weight of the wood, less than the weight of the wood, more than the weight of the wood, and 0. And the correct answer is option C. Now question 27. Archimedes' principle states that when a body is totally or partially immersed in a fluid, the upthrust is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced, the weight of the body, volume of the fluid displaced, volume of the body. And the correct answer is option A. Now question 28. Buoyant force acting on a body due to different fluid is same, different, 0, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, different. Now last question 29. The balloon stops rising up beyond a particular height when a density of gas inside the volume exceeds the density of air outside, equal to the density of air, become less than the density of air, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B. So we have done all the 29 questions, and write down in the comment section how many marks you got, and must watch our playlist of class 9 CBSE, and just like the video and subscribe the channel for the regular update and share with your friends. Thank you.